Last year, a small roofing company in Brisbane was spending $11,000 a month on marketing. Social media manager, copywriter, ad agency, virtual assistant for email follow-ups. 11 grand every single month just to keep the phone ringing. Today, that same company does all of it, every ad, every email, every social post, every follow-up with 5 AI tools that cost them nothing. One person checks in for 20 minutes a day. This isn't hype. This is what's already happening in small businesses right now. And if you're still paying thousands a month for marketing that AI can handle, this video is going to change everything. Here's what nobody tells small business owners about marketing. You're not paying for results. You're paying for people to do tasks. Writing emails, posting on social media, adjusting ad bids, following up with leads. These are tasks, repetitive, predictable tasks. And repetitive, predictable tasks are exactly what AI was built to replace. The average trades business spends between $3,000 and $8,000 a month on marketing. Some spend more. And most of that money goes to people doing work that AI now does faster, cheaper, and this is the uncomfortable part, better. Not because people aren't talented, but because AI doesn't take sick days. It doesn't get creative block. It doesn't forget to follow up with a lead on a Friday afternoon. It runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it never gets tired. The businesses that figure this out first don't just save money, they make their competitors irrelevant. And the ones that don't, they keep bleeding cash into systems that are already obsolete. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, I've heard this before, AI is going to change everything. I get it. There's so much noise out there. Every day there's a new tool, a new app, a new promise that some chatbot is going to run your business for you. But here's the difference. I'm not going to show you theoretical possibilities. I'm going to show you 5 specific tools, what they actually do, and exactly how a real business uses them right now to save over $10,000 a month. No theory, no hype, just what's working. The first tool is called Boss Copy, and this is the one that replaced the copywriter. Boss Copy is an AI copywriting engine built specifically for trades and service businesses. You tell it your business type, your location, what you're promoting, and it generates conversion-focused copy across 8 different formats: Facebook ads, Google ads, emails, SMS campaigns, social posts, video scripts, everything. But here's what makes it different from just asking ChatGPT to write you an ad. Boss Copy uses a framework called START. Stop the scroll, talk about the problem, align with your audience, resolve with your solution, tell them what to do. Every piece of copy follows this structure. And it's the same structure that professional direct response copywriters charge $5,000 to $10,000 to implement. This roofing company went from paying a copywriter $2,000 a month to generating better performing ad copy in 60 seconds. Their Facebook ad click-through rate went up 31% in the first month. The second tool is GoHighLevel. This is where the real savings happen. Most small businesses are paying for 5 or 6 different software tools. A CRM here, an email platform there, a separate booking system, a separate invoicing tool. GoHighLevel replaces all of them in one platform. But the killer feature is the AI-powered workflow automation. You can build a system where a lead comes in from your website, gets an instant personalized follow-up email, a text message, and a booking link all within 60 seconds. No human touches it. The roofing company was losing 48% of their leads because nobody followed up fast enough. After setting up GoHighLevel's AI workflows, they recovered 23 cold leads in the first month. At their average job value, that's over $180,000 in pipeline, from a system that took 45 minutes to build. Tool number 3, AI image generation. Most businesses either hire a graphic designer at $2,000 to $3,000 a month, or they use the same Canva templates as everyone else. AI image generation changed this completely. Tools like Flux Pro generate photorealistic images in under 30 seconds. Social media graphics, ad creatives, blog images, all custom, all unique to your business. The roofing company went from posting twice a week to posting every single day. Professional visuals every time, engagement tripled. Tool 4. AI Video. Short-form video is the highest performing content type on every platform right now, but most business owners don't have time to stand in front of a camera. AI video tools like HeyGen let you create professional spokesperson videos by typing a script, no filming, no editing. 3 minutes later, you have a video that looks like it cost $5,000 to produce. The roofing company now publishes 15 short-form videos a week. Their phone rings more from social media than from Google Ads for the first time in their history. And Tool 5. AI Ad Optimization. Google's Performance Max and Meta's Advantage Plus campaigns now use machine learning to write your ad copy, pick your images, choose your audience, and optimize your budget automatically. The roofing company's ad agency was charging $3,000 a month to do what these platforms now do natively. Their cost per lead dropped from $94 to $31 in 60 days. Same budget, smarter allocation. Let's add it up. Before AI, $11,000 a month in marketing costs. After, 5 free tools, 20 minutes a day, and results that are measurably better across every channel. I've put links to every tool mentioned in this video in the description below. Boss Copy and GoHighLevel are the two that make the biggest immediate difference. Start with those. If you want to see more breakdowns like this, how real small businesses are using AI to save money and grow, hit subscribe. Every week we show you exactly what's working right now. Next video, I'm going to show you how to build a 24/7 AI receptionist that answers calls, books jobs, and follows up with leads while you sleep. You don't want to miss that one.